Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Uh, Hope everybody is doing well. And for my today's vlog, guys, I just wanted to share to you the unboxing of our new DJI Mini 2, which is the camera drone. And it's like a flying smartphone. Yeah, so here my husband is trying to unbox it, so we'll check what is it. Okay, so
let's check what's inside.
Yeah, say hi, sweetie. Hi. Yeah, you see daddy is trying to unbox it.
What's inside?
Yeah, let's see what's inside. We'll check.
When you take a look inside the box.
What's that?
Yes.
What's this?
That's
Wow.
a flying drone, yeah? I'm flying. Every drone is flying.
You
Flying
can
camera.
watch it now.
It's a camera drone.
You can do it now.
Flying smartphone, they said. So we'll see.
Mm.
Daddy's another what is it?
Toy.
Toy. Next to drone before.
Because it's Christmas coming to town,
Yeah.
so it's time for toys slowly.
It's our Christmas
Decoration. No.
gift for the whole family.
This drone is very small and powerful in doing videos
Later,
and
see, that's
pictures. The camera can do 4K videos and very nice looking pictures. The drone is very steady, can stay in one place, that's the drone.
Yeah.
Can stay really steady in the air and yeah, just do video professional. You can just send it wherever you want. Up to 10 kilometers is the range, so it's really amazing.
How works?
I saw many videos on YouTube with this. This is a new model from DJI
Okay.
and announced. So the sales started on 5th of November this year.
Oh,
So it's just
really
less than a month,
Yeah.
you know, from the first day of the sale.
Really newly out.
Yeah,
The way you
it's,
pick it.
using a bit more advanced technology to Wi-Fi, because this is Mini 2, second version. Mini 1 looks almost identical, but it was using just Wi-Fi, and then it was able to fly up to 200-300 meters far away from you. This one can fly up to 10 kilometers, so really only the battery is the limitation.
Then later your
The
daddy
battery
will
lasts
check.
for about 30 minutes. This is
Okay.
the
Daddy will try it
controller.
after this. Yes, to fly.
Controller
Yeah.
is based on some new technology, that's why the range is so great.
We'll check.
Here,
That's,
yeah, there are somewhere the sticks, I don't know where yet. I know that the sticks, the place for the sticks is here behind, so you can put it to pocket, that's the idea.
okay.
Here is a triple charger for 3 batteries. Each one lasts for 30 minutes, as I said. So altogether you can get almost 1.5 hour of flight time.
It's like an hour of flying time.
1 hour and 30 minutes, because
Okay.
each battery is
Not bad.
25 to 30 minutes. According to producent, it's 31 minutes, but in the reality 25 minutes, 27, something like that. So the charger allows you to charge 3 at once. One battery is in the drone probably,
Yeah.
here somewhere.
I think you need to take.
Yeah, I need to
Out
take
that
it off, I
data.
don't know yet
Yeah.
how.
You need to read the instructions.
No,
Be
I
careful.
don't think so. Oh,
Your
So,
daddy will fly it.
the camera
Yeah.
is very smoothly moving, you know, because it has a gimbal, and the gimbal is
Okay.
really professional, semi-professional grade gimbal. So if the drone will do any, you know, bad movements, you know, and shaking, that gimbal will hold the camera on the same, view,
Okay.
steady. I don't know how to put it back. So
Daddy.
Hmm?
Mommy, the puppy's excited.
Okay, I think it's like
So
that.
these are the parts, yeah. So it has also something like this. What's that?
What
Oh,
did
the
we get here?
charger.
I don't know yet. The cables are to attach phone because
Yeah. Okay.
when you fly, you can see the view from the camera on your phone or
Yeah.
tablet, and that's the thing to put the phone. And there is a cable
All right.
just to connect your phone
Yeah.
to this controller.
Okay.
You can fly without phone as well, but doesn't make sense because this is really for making videos or pictures. So
Also
you need to see
what's this?
what you do.
The charger, I think, cable. Yeah.
Yeah, that's charger
Yeah,
cable.
and the other one.
You can charge your phone from this directly from this controller. There is a very big battery and heavy inside.
Okay.
This is handy if you don't have
This-
enough energy on your.
This charger. That's it. What's that? No more.
Here is something. Don't know what's inside.
I think it's the instruction or what?
Yeah,
Card.
yeah, you're right. This is probably instruction.
It has a nice.
Yeah, the bag is very
Yeah.
good quality.
Wow.
It can be seen
I
on
like the bag.
on the
Very nice.
video,
You see?
but quality is really good.
Yes.
I can feel it's some-
Yeah. Very nice.
really pleasant to hold it.
Yeah, I like it.
So
Yeah,
that was
that's really
instruction.
the
Yeah.
instruction. It's good there is instruction. So
This is not that simple now to fly a drone. You need to
It's like
activate it,
this.
register. You
Yeah.
need to be
you see,
registered.
it's the DJ1 Mini 2. Yes.
DJ Mini 2.
DJ.
DJI.
I mean.
Mini 2.
Yeah. DJI Mini 2.
DJI is a Chinese company
Yeah,
which is
something like that. So
holding the first place of drone around the world, of drone production, drone development, drone all the technology
I don't have
began with them.
there you go. It
They are
says
quite
here the
expensive
future
in compared to
possible.
competition, but yeah, this is a quality.
So it
Stuff.
has really
I tried
And
other drones in my
instructions.
past, but I decided to give a go to DJI because this is really
I got
a step better than other things,
Uh,
other drones.
we bought this because we will have a vacation soon, so we will try to use this
Yeah,
one for
exactly.
our what is it, Canary Island vacation soon. Okay, so we'll see, yeah, the quality, and
You
everything.
will probably see it as well.
Yeah,
There is lots
So,
of videos on YouTube
we're
showing
excited to use it.
how nice is looking the quality,
Yeah.
of the videos. This one, of course, needs to be removed to make the drone
Yeah.
okay like that. Ooh.
Oh, there you go, yeah. Your
And
daddy
then
is already
like that.
opening the drone. Yes.
And
It's
I did a
smaller,
mistake.
yeah.
And I did a mistake. This one should go first.
Yeah, it's
You see?
smaller than the one you have,
Yeah.
yeah. Before.
Yes. This one, the weight is only 242 grams.
Yes.
So this is for category under 250 grams. With this category from January 1st of 2021, you will be able to fly over people.
Oh,
That's the only category allowing you to fly directly over people.
okay.
Not a group of people, but for example, over beach, where people are, or over on the street, so on.
that's
That was
all.
also one of the reasons to buy this kind of
all.
drone, because
That's
this
all.
is very light drone.
That's
In
all.
the first, they call it class A1, allowing flying over
Okay.
people.
So,
You don't even need to register this drone of itself because of the weight.
yeah.
Anything else over 249 grams must be registered. This one don't
Don't need. No need.
registration.
Okay.
Here is battery. Yeah.
Has battery only.
And
Okay.
USB-C, new version. I need to find some memory cards, and then we will make a probe, a test flight
Yeah,
here
test
indoor, because the weather is very bad today, so I'm not able to fly outdoors
Yeah.
today.
So guys,
Welcome home, our new DJI Mini 2, our new family member, and our new smartphone which can fly and do something we never did before. Pictures from the air
Yeah.
and videos.
So guys, it's the remote and how it looks. Okay. So
I can't do it. Nah.
So once again, hope you
fly now.
enjoyed watching our unboxing of this DJI Mini 2, or the camera drone, or let's say the flying smartphone. Yeah. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. And please don't forget to click also the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay, once again, have a nice day, stay safe, and God bless everyone. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.
Mommy,
Bye.
mommy.
Yeah. And now flying